Volcano Eruption Explained. Amazing lava facts and science for kids. Boom! Did you know there are over 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth right now? Some are sleeping. Some are ready to erupt. Let us jump into a volcano adventure and discover how these fiery mountains work and why lava is so cool. Welcome to Kids Step by Step. And today we're exploring the awesome science behind volcanoes. We'll find out what makes them explode, what lava really is, and some mind-blowing facts you'll want to share with your friends. Hit subscribe so you never miss our coolest science adventures. What makes a volcano erupt? Deep under our feet, the Earth is super hot enough to melt rock into a thick, gooey liquid called magma. Imagine the Earth like a giant orange. We live on the peel, but inside it's all hot and squishy. When magma builds up pressure, it pushes its way up through cracks in the Earth's crust. It's like shaking a soda can. Eventually, it has to burst out. When it does, the magma escapes as lava, and we get a volcanic eruption. Most volcanoes are found in a special area called the Ring of Fire, which circles the Pacific Ocean. That's where 75% of Earth's active volcanoes live. Lava vs. magma, what's the difference? Here's a fun science secret. Magma and lava are actually the same thing. Magma is what we call the melted rock when it's underground. Once it erupts onto the surface, it's called lava. Lava can be hotter than 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 20 times hotter than your oven at home. It can move slowly like thick honey or shoot out fast like a fountain. The fastest lava ever moved was 40 miles per hour, faster than a car in your neighborhood. Meet the volcano family. Not all volcanoes look the same. Let's meet their family. Shield volcanoes are wide and flat, like a warrior's shield. Hawaii's volcanoes are shield volcanoes, and they make beautiful islands. Stratovolcanoes are the tall, cone-shaped ones like Mount Fuji in Japan. Cinder cone volcanoes are small but super explosive like Earth's firecrackers. And guess what? The biggest volcano in our solar system isn't even on Earth. It is Olympus Mons on Mars, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Why volcanoes are awesome for our planet? Volcanoes aren't just scary, they're helpful. Here's how. They make new land. The Hawaiian Islands were all built by volcanoes. Their ash makes soil super rich, perfect for growing plants and food. They help cool down the inside of our planet by letting heat escape. Volcanic ash can create stunning sunsets and add important minerals to the Earth. So, volcanoes help plants, animals, and even humans. Scientists who study volcanoes are called volcanologists. They use special tools to measure earthquakes, gases, and even the shape of volcanoes to predict eruptions. If you live near a volcano, there are safety plans and warning systems in place. Most eruptions give lots of warning signs like small earthquakes or steam, so people have time to get to safety. Let's remember what we learned. Magma underground becomes lava when it erupts. There are 3 main types of volcanoes with different shapes. Volcanoes help make land and grow plants. Scientists keep us safe by watching volcanoes closely. The biggest volcano is on Mars, not Earth. Isn't our planet amazing? Which volcano fact did you like best? Tell us in the comments. If you want more awesome science adventures, subscribe to Kids Step by Step and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Next time, we'll explore earthquakes and how they shake our world. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.